I'm Amy, welcome to Raleigh Park. Are you thinking about where you're going to live when you start uni? Not sure what your options are for accommodation? From social events throughout the year to ensuite rooms and connections to campus and the city centre, look no further than Raleigh Park. This is our common room. This is a communal space for everyone to use. Resecs hold events here each week. They've done movie nights, game nights, quizzes and much more. It's a great opportunity to meet new people. Don't let yourself in a spin about your laundry. Circuit have your back. You can use their app to pay for your laundry and see what machines are available before you come down with your washing. We have multiple laundry rooms across our site, so you should always be able to grab a machine when you need one. This is one of our kitchens that you would find in one of our standard rooms at Raleigh Park. So as you can see behind me, you do get the essential items included, which is the fridge freezers, the microwave and a kettle. You will need to provide all the other utensils that you would need for your stay. That's including cutlery, pots and pans, and any other, kitchen gadgets that you may want to bring with you, but always check with us to make sure it's safe. Typically there's 6 rooms per flat within a single and standard room type, and there's 2 bathrooms, and you've got a shared kitchen and dining area as well. Our ensuite rooms are in a flat of 4. Each comes with an ensuite bathroom and a 3/4 size bed, and you will also get a shared kitchen and dining area. Management and experienced team are on site 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to make sure you have the best time whilst you're with us. If you have any questions or want to know more about life at Raleigh Park, get in touch with the team, and details are in the caption. See you all soon.